Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first two challenges, let's take up our third challenge now, which is set your org's external org wide defaults. So once if you launch your playground, in quick find we are just gonna search for sharing, so that you will get this sharing settings. Just click on it and now click on edit. So if you scroll down over here, you will find this opportunity which is right over here, and here choose public read only followed by private, and now next to account and contract change this to public read only and private over here. So once it is done, click on save followed by OK, and again in quick find we are just gonna search for digital, and now go to all sites. So here you will find builder next to Usha Major. Just click on builder. So just click on OK over here. So if you click on this navigation menu, you will find this edit default navigation. Just click on it and now click on add menu item. So for name we are gonna give it as opportunity. So it should be opportunities, and for type give it as Salesforce objects, and for object type give opportunity, and for default list view give all opportunities. And now click on save menu, and on your top right corner you will find publish. Click on it, click on publish again, and then got it. So this is all about this challenge. Let's come back and click on verify step. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our third challenge as well. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.